Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about chapter vectors. So वेक्टर चैप्टर में जो इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस है आज हम सोल्यूशन करेंगे इस वीडियो में. ओके, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ए वेक्टर मेक्स एन एंगल ऑफ π/3 विथ एक्स एक्सिस एंड आल्सो वाई एक्सिस. व्हाट एंगल्स इट मेक्स विथ z एक्सिस? ऑप्शंस आर देयर π/3, π/6, π/4 एंड π/2. तो यहाँ पे अल्फ़ा का वैल्यू π/3 हुआ एंड सेम है बीटा का वैल्यू भी π/3 होगा वाई एक्सिस पे. देन कॉस गामा वैल्यू दैट इज गामा का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, सो वी नो दैट कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर बीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर गामा इक्वल्स टू 1. वी नो दिस वन. सो कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा वैल्यू इज π/3 square plus cos square beta value is also π/3 plus cos square gamma equals to 1. So cos π/3 value is 1/2, square is there, so 1/4 होगा ये, प्लस ए बी वैल्यू 1/4 होगा प्लस cos square gamma equals to 1. So cos square gamma equals to, this is a 1/4 plus 1/4 is, that is a 1 minus, इधर आए तो 2/4 होगा, दैट इज़ अ 1/2. ओके, सिंप्लीफाई करो, दिस इज अ 1/2. ओके, सो कॉस गामा इक्वल्स टू 1/√2. हाउ मच डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 1/√2? दैट इज अ गामा इज इक्वल्स टू π/4. So option is C is correct. Option C is correct here. Question number 2. If I cap plus p j cap plus k cap and 2i cap plus 3j cap plus q k cap are like parallel vectors, then the value of p and q are. So here options are there: 3/2 comma 2, 2/3 comma 1/2, 3 comma 2, d 3 comma 1/2. Okay, see how to solve this one. So first of all, write the I cap plus p j cap plus k cap is equals to any scalar value multiple with the 2i cap plus 3j cap plus qk cap, right? Because both are parallel means both are equal. Here 2 lambda I cap plus 3 lambda j cap plus q lambda k cap. Here the I cap plus p j cap plus k cap. कंपेयर बोथ आर, कंपेयर करो दोनों को. सन 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 लैम्डा, नेक्स्ट p इज इक्वल्स टू 3 लैम्डा एंड 1 इज इक्वल्स टू q लैम्डा. सो लैम्डा वैल्यू हियर 1/2. सो p इज इक्वल्स टू 3 into 1/2 because lambda value is 1/2. Hence q into 1/2 is equals to 1. So therefore p is equals to 3/2 and q is equals to 2. So options are here 3/2 to option A is correct. A is correct here, right? Next question है, find the unit vector in the direction of vector A is equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Here the options are there. We know the formula. यूनिट वेक्टर का फॉर्मूला मालूम है आपको. ए कैप इज इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर ए डिवाइडेड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए, राइट? सो इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर ए वैल्यू इज गिवन, दैट इज अ 2i कैप प्लस 3j कैप प्लस k कैप, right, डिवाइडेड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए. सो अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 2i कैप प्लस 3j cap plus k cap whole divided by under root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is a root 14. So option number, see root 14 here, so option B is correct here. Okay, so next question, question number 4. The given that vector A is equals to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap, vector B is equals to 6 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Then projection of vector A on B is options 19 by 3, 19 by 7, 19 by 21, 19 by 8. Okay. So we know the formula. क्या है formula? Projection of vector A on B is equals to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector B. A formula. So this is equals to vector A का वैल्यू क्या है 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap dot vector B value is 6 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap whole divided by magnitude of vector B. इसका magnitude निकालो अंडर रूट ऑफ 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू मल्टीपल करिए डॉट करिए 2 इंटू 6 इज 12 प्लस 2 इंटू 2 इज 4 प्लस 1 इंटू 1 इज 1 डिवाइडेड बाई रूट 36 प्लस 4 प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू पे 3 के कैप है so 3 k cap so here also 3 k cap so here the 3 square that is a 9 here. Okay, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 3 is 3, here 3. Okay, so now here it becomes 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 3 19 divided by 36 plus 4 is 40, 40 plus 9 is root 49. So root 49 answer is 19 by 7. Okay, so option number B is correct here. Option B is correct. So the next question, which of the following is a vector? 10 kg, 40 degree, 20 meter per second, 40 watt. So this is a 40 kg is a weight, that is a scalar है ये scalar होगा. 40 degree A भी scalar होगा, temperature. Okay, 20 meter per second, this is a vector, and 40 watt is a scalar. So therefore option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Okay, so 40 meter per second, it has magnitude as well as a direction, hence 20 meter per second is a vector. Next come to the question number 6 here. So if vector A and vector B be two unit vectors and theta is the angle between them such that vector A plus vector B is a unit vector, then theta का value find करना. Okay, option is pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and 2 pi by 3. Okay, so now see the solution how to solve this one. First of all, they are given vector A and vector B दोनों कैसा है unit vector है, means vector A is equals to vector B is equals to value is 1. Similarly, magnitude of vector A plus B also 1 because it is a unit vector. Magnitude of vector A plus vector B equals to 1. Okay, then squaring on both hand side. After squaring it, magnitude of vector A square plus magnitude of vector B square plus 2 vector A dot vector B is equals to 1. Okay, so this value is 1 plus this value is also 1. 1 square value is 1 plus 2 vector A dot B. Vector A dot B value is magnitude of vector A B into cos theta equals to 1. We know this value. So hence 2 plus 2, this value is 1, this value is also 1. 1 into 1 is into cos theta equals to 1. So 2 cos theta equals to 1 minus 2, that is a minus 1. Then cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. How much degree is equals to minus 1 by 2? That is a 2 pi by 3, right? 2 pi by 3. Also we can write theta is equals to cos inverse minus 1 by 2, hence it is pi minus pi by 3 equals to 2 pi by 3. So option D is correct here. Option D is correct. Okay. Next question number 7. The vector joining the points P of 2 3 0 and Q of -1 -2 4 directed from P and Q is options 3I cap plus 5J cap plus 4K cap minus 3I cap minus 5J cap minus 4K cap 3I cap minus 5J cap plus 4K cap, none of these. Okay, see how to find, कैसे फाइंड करना देखो. वेक्टर जोन इन 2 पॉइंट्स, फॉर्मूला क्या है, वेक्टर पी क्यू इज इक्वल्स टू x2 minus x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x2 minus x1 that is a minus 1 minus 2 I cap beta plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 3 j cap plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, this is a minus 4. So hence the x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 2 I cap plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 3 j cap z2 minus z1 minus 4 minus 0, hence it is minus 4k cap. Therefore the option number B is correct here. Option B is correct. Okay, next question number 8. See, the scalar product of the vector 2I cap plus j cap plus k cap and 3I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. Okay, स्केलर प्रोडक्ट दोनों को डॉट करिए, दैट इज 2I cap प्लस j cap प्लस k cap डॉट 3I cap प्लस 4j cap माइनस k cap इक्वल्स टू 2I into 3 that is a 6, 1 into 4 that is a 4, 1 into minus 1 so minus 1. Total value 6 plus 4 10 minus 1 is 9. So C is correct. Next question number 9, easy heavy. The projection of 3I cap minus j cap plus 5k cap on 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap is. So already solved previous question में मैंने solution किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में solution करिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करिए इसका आंसर क्या है. ओके, so now come to the question number 10. Mod vector A cross vector B is equals to mod vector A dot vector B मॉड वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर बी देन थीटा. थीटा का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, तो हमें पता है फॉर्मूला क्या है इसका. सो कॉस थीटा एंड साइन थीटा का यहाँ पे यूज़ करना है. ओके, सो देखिए कॉस थीटा का वैल्यू क्या है, कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर बी डिवाइडेड बाई मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ और मॉड ऑफ वेक्टर ए वेक्टर बी. ओके, साइन थीटा का क्या है, मॉड वेक्टर ए क्रॉस वेक्टर बी डिवाइडेड बाई वेक्टर ए वेक्टर बी. ओके, सो वी नो दिस फार्मूला. अगर क्रॉस मल्टीपल करें तो क्या मिलेगा वैल्यू, मॉड वेक्टर ए वेक्टर बी कॉस थीटा इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर बी. सिमिलरली साइन थीटा मॉड ए मॉड बी equals to vector A cross vector B. Okay, we know these two formula. Okay, so in place of this one we write this value. Similarly this value can be written as this one. So therefore I will write a vector A cross vector B, okay, equals to mod vector A dot vector B. So this value is mod vector A mod vector B into sin theta equals to this value is mod vector A mod vector B into cos theta. Okay, so both are cancel here, then sin by cos sin theta by cos theta equals to 1, hence tan theta equals to 1. How much degree is equals to 1 in tan, that is a tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. So therefore answer B is correct here. Answer B is correct. Next question number 11. A vector in the direction of vector A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap that has magnitude 7 unit is. So options are there here, 7I cap minus 14j cap, I cap minus 2j cap divided by root 5, 7I cap minus 14j cap divided by root 5, 7I cap minus 14j cap divided by root 15. Okay, So see how to solve this one. So formula क्या है, 7 I cap is equals to 7 as it is I cap. I cap value is vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. So equals to 7 vector A. Vector A value is I cap है minus 2j cap है. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करिए, अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस -2 होल स्क्वायर, राइट. 7 I cap minus 14 j cap divided by 1 plus 4 is a √5. Hence option number C is correct here. Option C is correct. Next question number 12 here. The position vector of the point 1 to 0. पोजिशन वेक्टर क्या होगा इसका, अगर वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखे तो वेक्टर आर इज इक्वल्स टू, आर इज अ पोजिशन वेक्टर और ओ पी इज इक्वल्स टू. सो हियर आई कैप प्लस 2j कैप प्लस 0k कैप. सो ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट तो नहीं है क्योंकि 0k कैप है, यहाँ पे 1k कैप है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. फोर्स इज ए, ऑप्शन से स्केलर वेक्टर बोथ ए एंड बी, नन ऑफ दिस. तो फोर्स बोले तो दिस इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है बिकॉज इट हैज़ मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज अ डायरेक्शन. हेंस फोर्स इज अ वेक्टर. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट हियर. If vector A dot vector B is equals to √6, mod of vector A is equals to √3, and angle between them vector A and vector B is pi by 4, then find magnitude of vector B. Okay, so here option A 2 1 4 0. Okay, see, we know the formula, angle between vector A and vector B is cos theta is equals to vector A dot vector B divided by mod of vector A dot mod of vector B. So here angle between vector A and vector B is pi by 4, that is a cos pi by 4 is equals to vector A dot B value is √6 divided by mod vector A value is, that is a √3, and to find this value as it is. Okay, simplify करिए. So cos pi by 4 value is 1 by √2 equals to √6 can be written as √3 into √2 divided by √3 mod vector B. दोनों कैंसिल होगा, क्रॉस मल्टीपल करिए. mod vector B is equals to √2 into √2, that is a √4, right, equals to 2. So option A is correct here. Option A is correct. Next question number 15. See, if mod vector A cross B is equals to 4 and mod vector A dot B is equals to 2, then mod vector A whole square mod vector B whole square is. So we know the formula of vector A dot vector B is equals to, क्या है formula, mod vector A vector B into cos theta. Similarly, the mod of vector A cross vector B is equals to mod vector A mod vector B into sin theta, right? Varying करेंगे. So this value is magnitude of mod of vector A cross vector B is equals to 4, and mod vector A dot vector B is equals to 2. mod vector A mod vector B sin theta equals to 4. इसका वैल्यू क्या है, mod vector A vector B cos theta equals to 2. स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे, इसको स्क्वायर करें तो क्या मिलेगा, देखो, स्क्वायरिंग एंड एडिंग, स्क्वायरिंग एंड एडिंग. ओके स्क्वायर करें तो मॉड वेक्टर ए स्क्वायर मॉड वेक्टर बी स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल्स टू 16 राइट एंड इसका वैल्यू एंड मॉड वेक्टर बी स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 4 दोनों को ऐड करें तो ऐड करेंगे इसको ऐड करें तो क्या मिलेगा देखो मॉड वेक्टर ए स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस मॉड वेक्टर ए स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 16 प्लस 4 इज दैट इज 20 सो कॉमन लेंगे हम मॉड वेक्टर ए स्क्वायर मॉड वेक्टर बी स्क्वायर कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ पे बचेगा साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos square theta is equals to 20. So this value is 1 and 1 into this value is equals to 20. Hence option C is correct here. Next question number 16. If vector A is a vector of magnitude A and K is a non-zero scalar, then K into vector A is a unit vector. If so magnitude of vector A का value क्या है A है right and K is a non-zero scalar vector then K into vector A so K into vector A is unit vector A so unit vector means the modulus of K into vector A is equals to 1 so therefore separate करेंगे इसको equals to 1 so vector A equals to 1 by the mod K so answer is option number D is correct or modulus of vector A value is A so A is equals to 1 upon mod K okay so option D is correct here. Next question number 17. If theta is the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B, then vector A dot vector B is greater than or equal to 0. Only when options are given here 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 2, 0 less than theta less than pi, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. Okay. So we know that first vector A dot vector B is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. But we know that magnitude of vector B A cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B right so therefore in place of vector A dot vector B we should write vector A vector B cos theta greater than or equal to 0 okay so cos theta greater than or equal to 0 divided by vector A mod vector B but vector A is not equal to 0 and vector B is also not equal to 0 hence cos theta is greater than or equal to 0 so cos theta greater than or equal to 0 कब होगा when 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to pi by 2 means first quadrant में cos value is greater than or equal to 0 में exist होगा that is cos 0 value is 1 होगा cos 90 value is 0 होगा that's why the cos theta lies in between 0 to pi by 2 hence option B is correct here okay option B is correct. Next question है question number next question है question number 18 okay the vector in the direction of the vector I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap that has magnitude 9 is so options I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3 3 into I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap option D 9 into I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap okay so यहाँ पे given क्या है vector in the direction of the vector I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap 9 magnitude right? Therefore 9 into a cap is equals to 9. A cap value is vector a divided by magnitude of vector a. So vector a value is here I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, so divided by magnitude of this one is 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square equals to 9 into I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 4 plus 4 plus 1 root 9. Root 9 value is 3. So 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. Answer is 3 into I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So option number C is correct here. C is correct option. Next question number 19. See, the value of lambda for which the vector 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and minus 4i cap plus lambda j minus 8k cap are collinear. Collinear means we know the condition a1 by b1 equals to a2 by b2 equals to a3 by b3 is equal to any one constant value. But here 2 divided by minus 4 equals to minus 3 divided by lambda equals to 4 by minus 8. Okay, so this implies, see here the value 2 by minus 4 is equals to minus 3 by lambda, or minus 3 by lambda is equal to 4 by minus 18. Any one of them you take. Okay, so 1 by minus 2 equals to minus 3 by lambda. Cross multiple, we will get lambda is equals to cross multiple lambda into 1, lambda minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So answer is B is correct here. Option B is correct. Okay. The last question. The direction ratios of the vector A is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap are 1 minus 2 3 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. See, direction ratios means what? I cap के जो बाजू है वैल्यू दैट इज 1, जे कैप का जो बाजू है वैल्यू दैट इज 2, के कैप का जो बाजू है वैल्यू 3. These called as direction ratios. Therefore option B is correct here. Okay, so these 20 important MCQ questions are very important for the exam purpose. So practice more and more. Thank you.